Hello, welcome to Tech Stack Labs. When you send a message on WhatsApp, when you open YouTube, when you log into a website, two computers are talking to each other. But here's the question. How do they talk when they're miles apart? No magic, no Wi-Fi mystery. Today, I'll show you the real story behind it, without writing a single line of code. Meet Computer A. It could be your laptop, and this is Computer B, a server sitting somewhere across the world. They don't know each other. They don't share cables. Yet, they communicate perfectly. Imagine sending a letter to a friend. What's the first thing you need? An address. Computers work the same way. Every computer on the internet has an address called an IP address, just like 221B Baker Street. A computer's address looks like 192.168.1.10. But wait, what if your friend lives in an apartment? Same building, different doors. Computers have the same problem. One computer runs many applications at once: browser, WhatsApp, YouTube, email. So, how does data know which app it belongs to? That's where ports come in. Think of ports as door numbers. Same house, different doors. Port 80, websites. Port 443, secure websites. Port 21, file transfer. So a complete computer address is actually IP address plus port number. That's how the internet knows exactly where to deliver the data. Now here's something surprising. When you send a message, it doesn't travel as one big piece. It breaks into small packets, like sending a puzzle in pieces. Each packet carries sender address, receiver address, order number. At the destination, they're reassembled perfectly. Packet order, delivery, errors. That's the job of protocols. Think of protocols as rules of conversation, just like humans follow grammar. Computers follow protocols. Quick tease, no deep dive yet. TCP makes sure nothing is lost. UDP makes things fast. We'll explore this soon. So where does socket programming fit into all this? A socket is simply a door at an IP address on a specific port. Socket programming is how you create that door and allow communication. Now you know how computers talk. In the next episode, we'll open our first real door and build a client-server connection in C. No magic. Just understanding